Jordi Marisal. I am from Cajamarca. Uh, Cajamarca is a beautiful city in the north of Peru. It is famous for its mountains, history, and traditions. In Cajamarca, people can do many things. Um, in Cajamarca, Cajamarca, in the Baños del Inca, where the water it holds and natural. Uh, my favorite activity in Cajamarca is going to Santa Polonia Hill. There are a country the gold city and relax in the very peaceful and I love you and I love it. Um, in Cajamarca, you can not drive in the park and you cannot build in the historic center. Bye.